Hello guys, this is Samuel Patel this side and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the important topic, and that topic is nothing but the how to get the job in the industrial automation field. Okay, जनरली मुझे कॉल्स आते रहते हैं फ्रेशर्स के, स्टूडेंट्स के या फिर वर्किंग वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स के, जो मुझे अक्सर एक क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं कि मुझे अपना करियर ग्रो करना है इन द इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशन फील्ड। तो मुझे कौन कौन सी चीजें जरूरत है या फिर मुझे कौन कौन सी चीजों के ऊपर फोकस करना चाहिए। तो मैं जनरली आई स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड दैट कि यू शुड जनरली फोकस ऑन द पीएलसी एचएम एंड स्काडा व्हेन यू आर अ फ्रेशर और स्टूडेंट। दैट मीन्स अगर आप कॉलेज पास आउट हो और आप चाहते हो कि इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशन में मुझे करियर ग्रो करना है, तो आप पीएलसी एचएम एंड स्काडा के ऊपर फोकस करो। अगर आप 2 या 3 years के experienced हो in the industrial automation field, then definitely you need to learn the new things. तो सब इसी टॉपिक्स के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इन दिस वीडियो। हाउ टू गेट और द सीक्रेट्स टू गेट द इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशन फील्ड और सीक्रेट्स टू गेट द ग्रोथ इन द इंडस्ट्रियल ऑटोमेशन फील्ड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। I'm sharing my screen. I will definitely note down each and everything that you need to know to get the job or dream job in the industrial automation field. So let's start the video. This is the screen, yeah. And I will note down each and everything. First of all, for the freshers and for the students and for the college pass outs, जो अक्सर मुझे प्रोफेशनल्स या फिर उस तरीके से क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछते जो प्रोफेशनल्स लोग पूछते हैं। वो मुझे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं जो उनको काम आए, जैसे कि उनको जाना है कि एज अ पीएलसी प्रोग्रामर, उनको जाना है यहाँ पे एज अ ऑटोमेशन इंजीनियर, उनको जाना है एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर। ठीक है, तो वो लोग मुझे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते रहते कि मुझे क्या लर्न करना चाहिए, मुझे कौन सी चीजें लर्न करनी चाहिए। तो डेफिनेटली आई विल स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड द पीएलसी एचएम एंड स्काडा। जस्ट फोकस फॉर द 1 year फॉर पीएलसी एचएम एंड स्काडा। बट ये सब चीजें दूसरे लोग भी उनको प्रीफर करते हैं। ठीक है, सो दैट कैन बी अ सेम थिंग। ओके, बट what I will tell you, you should make yourself something different from the others, right? That means आपको अपने आप को थोड़ा डिफरेंट बनाना पड़ेगा किसी दूसरे के नॉलेज के अकॉर्डिंगली। ठीक है, that means if your friend has the knowledge of PLC HMI and SCADA and you have the knowledge of PLC HMI and SCADA and you both are going to the interview, okay, both have the same knowledge, both have the same questions and answers, right? That already prepared in their minds, in your minds, right? सो ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो आपको डिफरेंट बनाएगी किसी दूसरे से? सो दैट थिंग वी नीड टू नो इन दिस वीडियो। सो दैट थिंग इज नथिंग बट दी some IT skills like SQL, VB scripting, some advanced knowledge like audit trail, 21 CFR and part 11. Yes, it's a definitely you don't know this type of things in a deep manner, but it should be a in your mind, it should be a in your portfolio or in your resume. So definitely there can be a PLC plus HMI plus SCADA, but different thing you need to learn, and that is nothing but the SQL, VB scripting. Yeah, in the SQL you can learn the three queries, right? That can be a different thing from the others. That is nothing but the select, insert, update, and the fourth query is the delete. Yeah, see, this is for the this is not for the working professionals. Okay, this is for the freshers and students, right? And college pass outs who is really want to work in the industrial automation field. That means if you want to make yourself different from the others, then PLC HMI SCADA along with this SQL and VB scripting. Inside the SQL, there should be a 4 queries that you should note down into your resume, into your CV, because you are a fresher. So the interviewer don't mind whatever you are mentioning in your resume. Whatever you do, you just mention in your resume. That is the main thing. So the SQL VB scripting is the different thing that can be a different from the others in your resume. So you will be the picked out for the job roles. That job roles can be a PLC programmer, automation engineer, whatever it is. So this is the main thing that can that is the very important to get you a dream job, right? Now, another thing is the VB. What you can do, how to write down the VB code. Okay, VBA code. That means declare the variables. That is the thing, right? How to get, how to, or you can say that how to read and write the tags into SCADA or HMI. Yeah, that is the thing. So that you can learn inside the VB. See, there is only four things: PLC, HMI, SCADA, SQL, VB scripting, and inside the SQL only four things: select, insert, update queries, and delete queries. Inside the VB, how to declare the variables and how to read and write the tag into the SCADA or HMI. That's it. So if you mention this kind of things into your resume, that can definitely a different thing from the others. And interviewer might be think, yes, this engineer or this fresher or this student is very, very helpful for my next upcoming job or for my next upcoming roles. Okay. So this is the thing, right? Now, let's discuss about the working professionals who is having the 1 or 2 years of experience. Now, within a 1 year or 2 years of experience, you will definitely know about the PLC and HMI programming. But if you focus, if you want to grow into your field or into your organization, so what you need to do, you need to just focus on the one thing, and that is nothing but the SCADA with DCS. That thing will definitely help you to grow into your organization or into other company. If you have 1 or 2 years of experience and you want to switch the job, so what is the thing that can be a different from the others? So this thing can be a different from the others. That is nothing but the another thing is nothing but the audit. Okay. Inside the SCADA, there is a audit trail functions. So you need to know how to configure it. That can be a different from the others portfolio or from the others resume. That is the thing. The another thing is nothing but the signature and electronics record. That means from the PLC or from the SCADA, if you know how to dump the data into the SQL, if you know how to fetch the data from the SQL into the SCADA, okay, so that means from the SCADA to SQL and from this SQL to SCADA, if you know, so that can be a different thing for you to crack the interview. So that is the thing you need to focus. See, there are three things you need to focus when you are a 1 or 2 years of experience: SCADA and DCS. Just small knowledge of the DCS, that's okay. SCADA, you can pick any SCADA. I strongly recommend Siemens and Allen Bradley products. Okay, I'm not promoting any products, but I strongly recommend Siemens and Allen Bradley. The SCADA and DCS, audit trails into the SCADA, e-signature and electronic records into the SCADA, how to fetch the data and how to dump the data into the SQL database. That is the thing. Dump and fetch the data. SQL database. That means you need to know how to create the SQL database, how to dump the data into the SQL database, how to write down these queries, select, insert, update, and delete queries, how to fetch the data from the SQL database to display over the SCADA, right? So that is the thing you need to focus when you have 1 or 2 years of experience. Now, let's summarize this topic. Okay. See, generally, why I need to create this type of videos? Because in the personal, for example, let me go to the my website at targuru.com, right? See, on the targuru.com, there is a first page, book the call for the personal guide. The peoples are calling me by booking this type of forms. Okay. So they are calling me for the personal guide. So they are asking me to this type of questions: how to start the career in the industrial automation field. सर मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अभी कुछ भी नहीं है, मैं अभी जस्ट कॉलेज पास आउट हूँ या फिर लास्ट सेमेस्टर में हूँ, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए आगे. So this type of questions are asking me. So that's why this type of videos are very much helpful to make yourself, and that is the different from the others, right? Now, so generally, let's talk about this type of things. let's summarize this kind of videos. Okay, how to crack the job in the industrial automation field. The first thing is you need to be a different from the others. That is the thing. And what can be your, and what can be the things that can be a different from the others? These things: SQL, VB scripting, audit, electronic signature, dump and fetch the data into the SQL database. That means you have some kind of IT skills, and that is different from the PLC, HMI, and SCADA, right? So that is the thing you need to focus when you are a fresher, when you are a student, or when you have 1 or 3 or 1 or 2 years of experience. Okay, so that's the thing. Let me stop the sharing. And now if you want this type of videos more and more, if you like this video, just share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep connected. Bye bye.